Viewers, today I am going to tell you how to send an email with the attachment using the Gmail app. Now, most of the Android phones they comes with a pre-installed Gmail app. You have to open the Gmail app. Now, whatever the account you have logged in will be shown. You can tap on the button that is present at the top right corner and you can check the accounts. You can switch the accounts of the Gmail app if you are running multiple accounts. Now, if you want to send an email, you have to tap on or click on the compose button that is present at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on compose. Now, by default, your email ID, whatever the account you have logged in, your email ID by default will be appeared in the from section. Now, in the to section, you have to write the Gmail ID of that person or the organization to whom you are sending the email. Suppose, for example, I am sending an email to this email account. Now, in the subject section, write down the subject, whatever you want to write. Now, in the compose, write down the body of the mail. Now, after this, if you want to add an attachment, so you can add any files, any documents as an attachment with the email. Now, what you have to do, at the top you can see a pin like icon. Click on that. It will ask you to attach file from the mobile or from your Google Drive. So I have selected I want to attach the files from my mobile. So you have to click on the attach file. Now it will open the file explorer. From there you will select the type of files that you want to add as an attachment. Now I have to add these two attachments, and after selecting it, tap on the open. So in this way these two documents will be attached to an email. Now after attaching the documents or pictures or any file, you have to send the mail. Now what you have to do, again at the top right corner you will send the send button. Now click on the send button. This email will be sent. Now you can check the sent mail in the sent message folder. So this message has been sent. You can see the timings also, you can see the attachments also. So in this way you can send the email with the help of Gmail. I hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe for this.